Hi, here are two transistors. Both are Sanken transistor. One is the positive, another one is the negative transistor. And this is the transistor amplifier circuit board. Here use 5200 and 1943. I am not going to use this transistor. I am going to use another one. This Sanken. Look. And for the negative, I am going to use this one. 2sa1216. I am going to use 1943. Now I am going to use this heatsink with this transistor. This is the 2sa. 2sa means the negative transistor. 2sa1216 is the negative transistor. This transistor can make 200 watt, and the voltage is the 180 volts, and the ampere, the collector ampere is the 17 ampere. Is the negative transistor 2sa1216, and this is the positive transistor 2sc2922. 2sc2922. Oh, sorry, I forget to use the thermal paste. We must have to use the thermal paste and the separator, but I am not going to use the separator here because our heatsink are separated. If we use one heatsink for two transistors, then we have to use the separator, but here no need. This is the positive transistor. Again, I am telling you that don't forget to use the separator. It's very important. The thermal paste can help the transistor to be cooled. For this case, we have to use the thermal paste. This transistor also need the thermal paste. I forgot to use here also. Here also need the thermal paste. This is the negative transistor. Every transistor needs the thermal paste and the separator. We can use any NPN and PNP transistor to this amplifier circuit board. Now the transistor are ready to fix with the circuit. This is the positive transistor 2sc2922. I am using here. I am not using 5200. I am using this one here. I am using 2922, not using 5200. I am not using 5200. Now need to soldering here. Middle leg is the collector leg. This is the collector leg. Middle is the collector leg, and left one is the base. This is the base leg, and right one is the emitter leg. Right one is the emitter leg. Base, collector, and emitter. The positive transistor are fixed ready. Now with the negative transistor. This is the negative one. The left one is the base leg. This is the base leg, and middle one is the collector leg, and right one is the emitter leg. The circuit is ready to use. Now need to connect the voltage. Again, I am telling you that if you want this type of amplifier circuit board, please visit the comment. There you can get the link to get this circuit diagram, or you can visit electrohelpcare.net. Now I am going to use this transformer to take the voltage. Look, red one is the positive, white one is the ground, and black one is the negative voltage. Here no need to solder, here has the socket. First one is the positive, the red one. Red wire is the positive wire, and white one is the ground voltage, and black one is the negative voltage. This transistor can take 180 voltage, but this circuit can take maximum of 50 voltage. For this case, we cannot cross the limit. Now I am going to check the voltage using the multimeter. Now I am plugging the meter fixed with 20 voltage, need to fix 200. Okay, middle one is the ground voltage. This is the positive 48 and this is the negative 48. The voltage is 5. Now while is the speaker, I have to connect the speaker now. I'm going to use the speaker. Here also has a connector to connect the speaker here. This is the mono circuit for the output is 1. With the ground, black one is the ground voltage and red one is the output. Red one is the output. Now we need to connect the audio input. I'm going to use this socket. No need another one, no need two. Here need one input because this is the mono circuit. And so the ground to be the ground socket, and audio input would be audio in. I'm so sorry I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics Mike Joshua. If you need any kind of help, you can contact with us and we can help you to repair the amplifier and to make the amplifier. It's Brother Electronics Mike Joshua. Thank you for watching the video.